Pathfinders are sometimes the first into enemy territory. They set up landing zones for pilots and paratroopers. This means their technical and theoretical expertise has to be top-notch. I attended the first week of Pathfinder school to get a glimpse of how soldiers are taught to secure a sling load. The first week of Pathfinder school will see a group of over 50 soldiers learning the technical knowledge needed to secure several common pieces of equipment to a sling load, a device that allows equipment to be safely picked up and dropped off by helicopter.
This is the M1101 high mobility trailer, used to carry equipment or personnel behind Humvees. Fuel drums and a cargo net, 5K cargo net.
We're checking this 5K cargo net to make sure that there's no deficiencies for when we rig it up to the aircraft. And in this example, we're using oil drums to test and make sure that the 5K cargo net is sufficient.
500-gallon fuel drums behind that, 822 cargo bags.
Yeah, actually it's to transport goods for soldiers, actually where fixed-wing aircraft can't land, so pretty much helicopters will transport it.
And Humvees down at the end.
If you're out in the field and you have that piece of equipment go down, you might need to get it replaced. And the quickest way to do that is by sling load airdrop.
The mission of Pathfinder School is to teach soldiers day and night operations, assisting airborne and air assault units in various ways. But high standards and a short course length make it one of the hardest badges to earn.
Pathfinder School is a 3-week course. They learn just the basics of air traffic control. They move into sling loads operations, a real very base knowledge of helicopters and rotary wing operations as far as what their capabilities are. And then we move into drop zones and actually establishing drop zones for airborne, fixed wing, and rotary wing operations.
In our current fight, it's a common practice to use helicopters and sling loads to deliver equipment to troops. So it's vital to have a Pathfinder qualified soldier on the ground at all times.
In the current operational environment we're in right now, it's been utilized for a lot of different resupply stuff. When you have a small area where you can't necessarily drive in because of IEDs, or you have a high enemy threat, it's a good avenue to move equipment and supplies from one point to another.
The knowledge these soldiers are learning will be important no matter what rank or combat MOS they are. But for the many units who deal regularly with aircraft, this course is crucial.
I'm kind of tying in how this would be important to what I'm going to be doing out in the field, forward of all the other support, and how sling load operations can really help me and my unit supply myself and be a forward operating, self-supported unit.
The Pathfinders move to the classroom next and learn to establish landing and jump zones in their next weeks before they can earn one of the most technical badges in the Army.